Hello everyone, I am Bama, Department of Computer Science from Kamraj College. In this video lecture, we are going to learn some fundamental concepts of web technology for BCA students. So in this class, we will learn concept of internet. What is the World Wide Web, that is introduction of www. Then what is protocols, some fundamental terms about web, then a simple web request. These concepts are discussed today's class. Okay. So first one, what is internet? So internet is a interconnected collection of computers. That is, it's a structure which is made up of a million of interconnected computers. That is, users can communicate each other. Okay, so they can communicate and also share their informations, data also. That structure is known as an internet. Okay, so simply known as internet is a global network of smaller networks. Okay, so then internet is owned by nobody. Okay, so it's a smaller network means it's a collection of 1 to 1000 computers maybe. So 1 to 1000 computers, then it can transfer the information from one system to some other systems. That is internet, isn't it? Then how the communication can be performed by using some more communication medias, isn't it? So satellites and some other optical cables are used for communication purpose. Okay, then so internet is a collection of interconnected computers. Okay, so then what is network? It's a small global network of smaller networks. Okay, more than one networks are there, LAN, WAN, MAN, just like that. So internet is a collection of some smaller networks. Okay, smaller network means it's a collection of 1 to 1000 computers. So what is network? Networks means it's a computers that are linked together. Okay, so more than one computers are linked together. That system is known as a network. So network, then internet is a collection of networks, smaller networks. So next concept is what is web? It's a information system on the internet. That is, what is the use of this web means which allows documents to be connected to some other documents. Okay, by using some hypertext links. So suppose if we search any one of the information means we can search more than one documents according to that, isn't it? So at that time the web allows to move the documents, move from one document to another document. So that is done by using one of the information system that is known as web. Okay, so web is a collection of interlinked hypertext documents. Okay, that means hyperlinked documents, interlinked hypertext documents. That's why it's known as hyperlinked documents. Okay, so what is a hypertext documents means the web designs, that is web pages are designed by using a hypertext language. So it's known as hyperlinked documents. We can provide a link from one document to another document by using a hypertext language. Okay, so that is known as web. Next one is what is protocols? So the systems are interconnected by using one of the networks. Okay, then web are used to link some other documents. Okay, then what is protocol means? It's used to communicate, that is transfer the information from one system to another system, that is to exchange the information with one another, that is a host to server or server to host. Okay, in that exchange purpose, it provides some set of rules. Okay, that is the use of protocols, to provide some set of rules according to transfer the informations. Okay, so according to the data transmission, it should be divided more than one, it should be categorized more than one type. Okay, so more than one protocols are there, each and every protocol combined with some set of rules. Okay, so every protocol is used for some purpose. So here it's a host machine, it's a server machine, that is it's a source, it's a destination machine. Then from source to destination, the message should be transferred via internet. Okay, so here we use two more protocols, that is internet protocol and then transmission control protocols. By using these protocols, transfer the information from host to destination. Okay, so it provide, these two protocols are provide some set of rules for exchange information from here to there. Okay, then some other protocols are also used, that is a hypertext protocols, hypertext transfer protocol, which is used to access a website informations. Then suppose if you transfer a file type of information, means by using file transfer protocols. Okay, so the protocols means it's mainly used to exchange information from source to destination and to provide some set of rules for that transmission. Okay, so what is HTTP? What's the use of this? There's a hypertext transfer protocol, which is mainly used to transfer the web page informations. Okay, so it's an application level protocol. Okay, that is in this protocol more than one versions are introduced. The latest version is 1.2. Okay, it's a initial version is 0.9. HTTPS, it's also used for transmission, that is S for secure purpose, that is to provide security also for that informations. Okay, so that protocol is known as HTTPS. Then some more fundamental terms are used for this web technology, that is message transmission. Okay, what are that means? It's a web server. First one is web server. What is web server? Because in message communication, in a message communication, we use two more systems. One is known as server, another one is a host. Host means our individual systems. Okay, so here what is web server? It's a computer that shows the web document that users access. So which document user can search. Okay, so we will give some more address. That address holds the particular document. Okay, so that documents are in where means is in web server. Okay, so it's a computer that holds the all web documents. All the documents means that are which documents that users can access. Okay, so next one is web browser. It's a software program which is mainly used to access the web document and displays its content to the users computers, into the users computer. Okay, so all the documents are in web server. Okay, by using web browser to search the document and then the contents are displayed into your system, that is into the user's computer. So that's known as, that software program is known as web browser. So in a market more than one web browsers are there and also more than one web servers are there. You can use any one of the web servers and also web browsers. Then hypertext markup languages and then standard markup languages. These two languages are used to generate a particular web page or design a web page. Okay, that is a front end page. how to design your web page means by using these two languages. Okay, that is HTML, hypertext markup language, or SGML, standard generalized markup languages. Then websites, what is known as website? It's a representation of a particular representation of a company's products. Okay, individual company can explain its product, or what are the services that are available for that company, that are displayed via the web. Okay, so that is known as an website. So now we'll see one simple web request. Okay, so how the request should be transferred, and how the response should be received. Okay, so it's our name server system that is provide one request, that is any if we search any one of the page means website means we will provide one request, isn't it? That request pass to the browser, to its browser, one of the browser. That browser receives the particular address from particular server, that is a host machine, through the internet. Okay, through the web. Then it receives that and then send to its web server. Okay, where the documents are stored in a web server system, isn't it? So the browser using some more algorithms to search where it is. Okay, then where it is in any one of the web server. Then this web server provide one of the HTTP response. This response received by browser, and then give it to the corresponding name server. So received by browser, and then the browser collects its corresponding information and give it to the name server for display purpose. Okay, so that's the simple request and response. Okay, these are the simple terms that are used for web technologies. Okay, thank you.